Alright guys, so here's something you don't see all the time. Full-blown Mansory kit for a Mercedes-Benz, and this is not your standard Mercedes-Benz, this is a GLS63. This is a very unique build, as you can see behind me, because you don't see any of these. You don't even see the GLS63 that much, but you surely don't see one with a full carbon fiber Mansory package on it. This is wild, and it still looks really, really nice. Mansory, as you guys know, has some funky kits, and then it has some really clean kits. And I think this is pretty clean for a big Mercedes SUV. As you can see, the whole entire front grille has been changed to carbon. This is a full replacement, looks crazy. And then you have the big front end, all the body kit components down there. You got several pieces on the front. You got this, and you got that bottom big spoiler right there. Looks really nice. We got the Mansory hood emblem. This is also a full wide body kit. So it's not your typical add-on kit. It's got the wide body flares going on. It's got the Mansory wheels as well. We blacked out this vehicle as well. It had chrome all over it. The side skirts on this car, the steps are actually really, really difficult. You gotta take them apart. They have padding, you have the powder coat, you have the blackout. A lot of work went into that. Got the rear flares on there. All the flares have some carbon fiber vents on them too, looks really nice. And obviously the flares have been painted to the body color here in our in-house paint booth. We also have a carbon fiber roof spoiler, and we have the big diffuser in the back with the Mansory exhaust tips. Pretty cool kit for this thing. When you open the doors, we installed the Mansory lights under it, so it says Mansory. Really, really clean overall, and it's a black car. I mean, this is cool. It has a full tan interior. This is a luxury vehicle, luxury SUV, but also it's a 63 AMG, so it's powerful, it's sporty, luxury. Now you got all this carbon fiber, and I guarantee you, you're gonna be driving around, nobody's gonna have this car in LA. So pretty cool build. We have a lot more builds going on right now. We have 2 wide body Cullinans in progress. We have a blue Urus wide body in progress. We have a Urus Mansory kit coming. We have a lot going on, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this build. This was a quick, fun one, but yeah, there you have it, Mansory GLS63.
What's up, Walter? Okay, I'm coming. I'm on my way. Okay, bye. What the fuck do you want?
I'm just asking you where you're going.
Okay, so we have a BMW X6 here. Right side mirror assembly is broken. So this is a very strange one. Customer thinks that there might have been some kind of a gun or a BB gun that somebody shot to the car by accident, and it damaged a few areas. So you know, they think something hit from the back here. You guys can see the whole thing is broken. Back plastic piece is broken. I understand what she feels like when something's broken here. I get the whole point of maybe it's some kind of a BB gun pellet or bullet, whatever. Went through here, or vice versa. Came through here, came through there. So it's not guaranteed, but the client feels like that's what happened. So we have a brand new unit coming. This is not cheap, very expensive unit. We've got to replace everything. We have tape holding the glass right now. So yeah, we got to repair this thing and get back to the client.
What?
If I hit Big Stats Porsche, she'll kill me. Give me a fucking car! Shit! You got scared.
She comes every day and says the same thing.
Give me a car! Oh shit, she's coming. Fuck.
What's up, Buttercup?
Hey, what's up, hey?
You on break, huh?
Huh?
You on break?
There's no break. I tried to do this car going down. Urus what? Performante? This car
It says it right there.
I don't know that. Hey, doesn't go down. This one up. Somehow you see the sensor? Check the sensor. No, I need that part. Yes. That's what I'm waiting for. Okay, hold on. Damn it. Okay, I'm ready. Go. Okay. Fuck! That was bad. Hold on. Okay, wait.
It did not shoot them.
No, man.
No, that's not something red.
Smoke.
The engine's blown.
Fuck you, fat bitch.
All right, we have somebody at the gas station washing the wheels for us here. Sir, I only have $2. Here we have another 1016 Industries carbon fiber wide body kit, Urus Performante, brand new car. It is Grigio telesto color, which is really nice. One of my favorite colors. Looks incredible with carbon fiber. So we got obviously the carbon fiber 1016 kit on there. The hood is factory, but the flares are not. The front lower spoiler is 1016, a little side extension on the side, and the rear diffuser. Literally, for a very good deal, if you have a Performante, you can wide body it. You're gonna have to get wheels though. These are pretty cool wheels, as you can see. I don't know if you could tell, but they have a color match going on the face of them to match the car. The rest is black. We did the blue calipers. We did blue Lamborghini emblem on the trunk. And then we smoked out the lights in the back, something we don't often do, but customer wanted to smoke out those lights in the back, so they're smoked out. No lowering on the Performante, as you guys know, static suspension, not air, really clean. We just finished the Rift Urus wide body as well. We're doing another WideStar Brabus G63 right now. It's endless here at RDB, so give us a call, contact us, and we'll do your build.
Hard car, man. Get into and out. Whew. That was a mission. Alright guys, this McLaren, this was a satin black wrap that we did a while ago. You guys are familiar with this car. This car is really, really cool. It runs very good as well. So right now we are taking everything back to stock, taking off the wrap. We are almost there. We're going to continue today and hopefully get this thing ready in a few days. He's taking the wrap. We're taking the wrap off because I think the client wants to sell the car and get something cooler, something different. So that's what we're doing. Positive energy, ladies and gentlemen. We have a beautiful Cybertruck here, you guys. This one is going to be wrapped in a very, very cool custom color. We are wrapping a Range Rover currently with that color. So it's sort of like a chocolate brown kind of a color that we're going to do on this. I think it's going to look cool. This is actually the first. This is the first Cybertruck we've done. I think this is the first Cybertruck that we've wrapped actually. So yeah, we're gonna do this. It's gonna be cool. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun project. And customer chose the color. She likes it, so we're gonna make sure it looks good. Stay tuned.